Hi, my name is Arun Ramchandran, also known as Rak. I am a president with 𝗦𝗲𝗀 Technologies and lead 𝗦𝗲𝗀's Gen AI consulting and practice unit. We are creating a bold vision for 𝗦𝗲𝗀 in this AI first world. We are talking about 𝗦𝗲𝗀 powered by AI to help create exponential value for our customers, employees, and stakeholders. And this is being approached through a multi-lane strategy. 3 of these lanes are focused on value creation, and 2 of these lanes are for enablement. The first of the value creation lanes is around disrupting ourselves. Gen AI will impact all aspects of our service offerings and solutions, including how we code, how we deliver, and how we test. The second lane is on disrupting our clients. We are having multiple conversations with our customers, ranging from exploratory to implementing actual use cases they have identified, and we have helped them do it. So this particular lane will focus on building those solutions and taking it forward towards implementation. The third lane is on disrupting industries and domains through big bets. We are in the process of identifying some of these big bets through an internal series of hackathons and ideation sessions. For these, we will be also partnering with Microsoft and helping come up with these solutions on Azure Marketplace. The 2 enablement layers are around deployment and training. That's the first one. It is to help ensure that every 𝗦𝗲𝗀ian, 30,000 of us, are trained on the basic fundamentals of Gen AI and even advanced technologies. The final enablement layer is around making sure that our brand positioning and differentiation is out there. Whether it is through working with ecosystem partners, obviously Microsoft is a very important one, or working with research institutes and academia. In a nutshell, our Gen AI strategy is around having solutions and use cases across growth, which is focused on revenue generation and sales and new business models for our customers, productivity, which is to unlock efficiencies and cost savings opportunities, whether it's through knowledge management, retiring of technical debt, software engineering, etc., or to help with trust and security, creating a mature AI framework and a governance model, and making sure that the data remains secure and doesn't get into enterprise or open source sites.
Hello, I'm Vijaya, and I'm the Global Practice Leader for our Pharma and Healthcare Solutions at 𝗦𝗲𝗀. Today, I want to talk to you about 𝗦𝗲𝗀's exceptional journey with a leading global pharma technology company, where leveraging artificial intelligence and now augmenting that with Gen AI, we are delivering improved outcomes for the industry. Our customer plays a pivotal role in propelling medical research, drug development, and healthcare innovation forward. Their contribution to modern medicine are nothing short of transformative. With a significant partnership with Microsoft, they are harnessing the complete power of AI and data analytics to propel their cloud and data-driven initiatives forward. We collaborated with the customer to establish an enterprise-wide automation program several years ago, with a sole objective of delivering sustainable cost efficiencies. This automation program is comprised of several levers like Lean, RPA, BPM, natural language processing, machine learning, and now added to this, Gen AI technologies. We evaluated over 4,000 tasks across the organizational value chain, resulting in a multi-year roadmap. Particularly, any tasks that take more than 15 minutes of time and less than 2 hours were a higher priority candidate for automation. With the vision to accelerate the pace of enterprise-wide Gen AI adoption, we are working with their steering committee and have developed a comprehensive roadmap that comprises of 30+ validated enterprise-wide use cases. These cases span across R&D, clinical, commercial analytics, and corporate functions. I will share examples from 2 programs that stand out because of the kind of impact they've had and the outcomes they've delivered. The first program is a knowledge base creation for their IT support. In the current state, a substantial percentage of the support tickets raised are being resolved manually, with ineffective knowledge management. This results in increased workload, reduced productivity, a lot of misinformed decision-making, and it impacts the user satisfaction. We worked on a multi-staged approach where several technologies were orchestrated and brought together to resolve these challenges. We initiated an assessment of the ticket data across various applications, shortlisting those that contribute to a significant share of the total volume and also where the current efforts spent on these are high. Armed with this kind of information, we identified potential use cases for GenAI. We prioritized those categories that required less human expertise but had a high volume of tickets and where the dependencies on other systems was comparatively low. The first category of automation was of user guidance. Basically, by enabling self-service for the users, we completely eliminated the need for raising the ticket itself. A good example of these would be requests for application-specific information and new user training. For resolving the larger part of tickets, we proposed a knowledge-based platform. This platform is powered by 𝗦𝗃𝗀𝗻𝗀's proprietary solution. The solution leverages GenAI technology to securely and efficiently generate industry-leading knowledge-based articles, thus empowering the IT operations team with accurate and reliable information that drives their productivity and performance. This solution will also harness the capabilities of Azure OpenAI services to formulate responses for user queries. Data security was given utmost importance, with data masking for sensitive data and secure API connections were enabled. This solution is slated to eliminate around 20% of support tickets, along with accelerating the resolution time per ticket. It also enhances the quality of response provided to the users by leveraging this knowledge base. Another fantastic example of automation is the pharmacovigilance for better patient experience. In the midst of COVID, our customer was faced with an urgency to accelerate clinical trials while ensuring stringent quality assurance and patient safety for those trials. We came in with a team of automation experts and PV domain consultants who meticulously identified key opportunities and prioritized automation use cases across the PV value chain. With core focus on quality and safety, we identified key areas across case intake, case triage, data entry, quality review, medical review, and case submission processes. The results for impact of automation on several of these processes was staggering. A significant reduction of effort of more than 50% in case triaging and data entry was predicted. We projected that with the use of RPA, AI, and machine learning, we could now process an additional 10,000 plus cases per month, while simultaneously showcasing the potential to free up more than 80 PV consultants. This would free up their time to take up additional strategic initiatives, which are so critical during COVID. This process has been revisited recently with the intent of further transforming it with GenAI. And we worked on a critical process of authoring first drafts of safety narratives. These narratives hold a huge importance in PV because they explain the adverse events faced by patients and are crucial safety data documents for clinical trials. Automating these using GenAI has a high impact on both regulatory compliance and faster processing of PV cases successfully. Our commitment goes beyond programs and transactions. It's about creating a genuine partnership with our customers. Together, we're not just making changes, we're bringing smiles to the patient community. Thank you for listening to us today.
So you heard about Hexaware's bold vision for Gen AI, our comprehensive strategy, and the detailed implementation approach. You also heard from my colleagues about the actual use cases and POCs that we are developing, the framework we are using to execute it, as well as an actual live client case study. We look forward to meeting you there, and we hope you can make time to meet with us.